If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. I'm about to share with you why this MLM company is one of the best side hustles to start today. Yo, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now about a week ago, I seen a YouTuber. He had a short out, and I actually like this YouTuber. And his short was about side hustles that you shouldn't do, or something to that effect, right? And so he had a couple things on there, blah, blah, blah. But one of the things that he said on this short was MLM, right? And in the short he said, MLM, do not do that. It's a terrible side hustle, right? Now I was thinking when I saw that, yeah, maybe the old school MLM companies was a whack ass side hustle, but the new era of MLM opportunities is definitely a good side hustle option, and one of the best companies doing it right now is LiveGood. Now if you're not familiar with what LiveGood is, it pretty much is a membership based health and wellness company that gives its members the ability to get their supplements and other products at very discounted prices, but it also gives its affiliates the opportunity to earn some extra cash. So what makes this MLM opportunity such a great side hustle? All right, I'm gonna break it down for you right now. So one of the first reasons is its low startup cost. So to become an affiliate of LiveGood, it costs you a one-time fee of $40. That's it. You pay $40. It gives you the ability to earn as much money as you possibly can. All right. So after you pay that $40, it's only $9.95 a month to maintain your membership at LiveGood. Now remember, this membership allows you to get their products at extremely discounted prices. So pretty much for $50, one-time fee of $50 and $10 a month, you can have your own online business, right? Now how dope is that? Now another reason why I rock with LiveGood is because of their products, right? A side hustle, a lot of side hustles involve you promoting something, selling something, right? Well, when it comes to LiveGood, you can actually feel proud, right? To be a part of the company, be a part of their products, because the products are actually good. A lot of times when you hear about MLM companies, people be like, oh, the products really suck. They're just overpriced and they're not even really that good. LiveGood products are actually created like by an in-house team, right? These are their own formulas. Another reason why LiveGood is such a dope side hustle is because it's easy to promote, all right? And when it comes to side hustles, right, you want to have it as easy as possible, right? You want to be able to do something that can complement your part-time job or your full-time job, and LiveGood can do that. When it comes to promoting LiveGood, you can come at it from two different angles. You can come at it from the product side of things, introducing people to the products of LiveGood, or you can come at it from the home business opportunity side of things, and you can promote it for those looking for extra cash or a side hustle. Or you can do like I do and come at it from both angles, right? Talk about the products and the business opportunity. When it comes to having a side hustle, most people want something super easy, something they could do, you know, a couple days out the week, something they could do very, very casually. And this is exactly what you can do with LiveGood, because there are many ways that you can promote your LiveGood business. My personal favorite is, of course, YouTube. But a lot of people use Facebook. A lot of people use TikTok. A lot of people use Instagram, right? A lot of people start their own blog talking about LiveGood. But if you're not a computer person, it's all good. You can take it offline. You can actually go to vendor events or just get some simple flyers made and just set them different places around your city. And you could even go outside the city if you want. Just drop some flyers off and you good to go. Let me show you real quick one of the flyers that I made right there. Bam, got the QR code, right? So by the way, if you join my team, I'll actually create one of these for you. All right, and you can just print them out and order them, and you'll be hooked up. All right, but I take these, and actually I'm about to do it tomorrow. But you can just leave these places, right? Just leave a stack of these, and you're promoting your Live Good business. Some people just do that. That's all they do. They just go to different places one day out the week, set a stack of flyers, and they're good. They go back to doing what they're doing. You can do the same thing. That's how easy it is to promote Live Good. So at this point, you're probably thinking, oh yeah, Live Good sound cool, but what's up with the money? How much can I make with Live Good? So there are actually several different ways that you can make money as a Live Good affiliate, but I'm going to talk about two of the main ways because in my opinion, these are the ways to make the most amount of money with Live Good. First way is their fast start commissions. So for every personal referral that you get to join Live Good as an affiliate, you're going to earn a one-time $25 fast start commission. Now these are paid out every Thursday. All right, so a lot of people, they strictly use Live Good as just an affiliate program. All they think about is, hey, I'm just trying to get my 4 affiliates a week. That's an extra $100 a week, right? A lot of people just doing that. Now the second way to make money with Live Good is the method that a lot of people are making some serious money with, and that is the 50% matching bonus. All right, this is so cool. Like, I don't know why everybody don't jump on this, but check this out. For every personal referral that you get in the Live Good who decides to become an affiliate, you're going to get a 50% matching bonus of whatever they earn in their matrix. Say for example, you bring Susie in, right? And Susie is just a go-getter. She go hard with Live Good. She bout that life, all right? And Susie start making, just say, $1,000 a month, right? It might take her 6 months, maybe a year, who knows, whatever. But Susie making $1,000 a month just because you brought her in to Live Good, right? Of course, you got your $25 fast start bonus when she first joined, but now you're going to be getting $500 a month, right? 50% of what she makes. Think about that for a second. Vibe out and be like, think about it, all right? So you got to ask yourself, okay, what if you had 10 people you bring in to Live Good? What if 20, 30, 40, 50, whatever, right? You're going to earn a 50% matching bonus of whatever they make, right? That right there is what hypes me up about Live Good. That right there, because think about it. One referral could change your income drastically. Think about that, right? So I highly suggest, if you decide to get involved with Live Good, you need to decide, how are you going to promote this opportunity? Do you want to promote it from the angle of, the products, or do you want to promote the home business opportunity? Figure that out. Then the next thing you need to figure out is, how are you going to promote it? Are you a YouTuber like me? Right? It's all good. Are you going to promote on Facebook? Are you going to make TikToks? Are you going to make Instagram reels? Or are you going to get some flyers made and take them around town and go to different events? You have to decide that. But once you decide that, you are good to go, and you officially have your own side hustle. So if you're ready to get started with Live Good and you want to jump on your boys team and start grinding, click that first link in the description, and I will see you on the team.